Hi, students. We have come to the largest and most important of our units here in English 102, Composition 2. We are now in Unit 3, which is the Argumentative Research Writing Unit. As the other units have been set up, we have two sub-modules, one on learning materials and the other on assignments and submissions. You may remember when you looked at the Getting Started materials that this assignment, well, the several assignments that we have in this particular unit are worth the most number of points to you. So collectively, this unit accounts for 40% of your grade in this course. So in the course, we have a total of 1,000 points. This is worth 40% of that. So we really want you to do your best work throughout this assignment in this unit. You will be writing a paper on your same topic that you've been using the entire semester, but you will be approaching the topic in a different way. Instead of exploring it, as you did in Unit 1, or giving us information about how your two of your sources wrote about your topic, you will be writing about the argumentative research essay in a more persuasive and argumentative way, because you are now taking a stance. You are taking a position on your topic. Like always, we have some definitions for you, and we certainly want you to read through all the learning materials and to check the schedule to see what is due and when. So we have quite a few learning materials for you. And if you scroll down, you see we have quite a few assignments. Again, I hope this does not worry you. Since we use online educational resources, think of this as separate pages in a textbook. So this is as if you were just reading a few pages on argument and research questions and EBSCOhost and Google Scholar and thesis statements and so on. We have this page, which I know is going to be helpful to you. What is an argumentative research paper? And it clarifies the expectations. You are writing a 7 to 8 page essay. You are posing and then supporting an argumentative thesis statement using a minimum of 6 credible authoritative sources. You have already found 4 of these sources. You found 2 of them when you did your Unit 1 exploratory research essay. Then you found another 2 when you did your Unit 2 informative research essay. So this time around, we are asking you to find an additional 3 sources, because you may find a total 6, at least 6. You may find that one of those earlier sources you located is not as helpful. So we are asking you to find a total of 7 sources in this class, but you only have to use 6 of them for the paper. You will be clicking through and looking at the overview of this assignment, and we have the requirements front and center, and we have a sample paper so that you can get really comfortable with what a claim paragraph looks like, what a counterargument and rebuttal look like. You will be using CSET to make sure that you are developing your claims with evidence that you have set up and tied in to the rest of your paper. You'll have downloads here. And again, I think that out of all the pages that we have for you, I think that one might be the most useful. That said, we have plenty of videos and activities and examples so that you can really learn what it means to make a high quality argument. You will also want to be comfortable with APA. So APA guidelines are embedded in this course in a couple of different locations, as is the CSET module. When you get to the assignments, you have 5 different assignments. These are building blocks. So you are taking some smaller steps early on in this unit to help you get to the big paper, the 7 to 8 page paper. Once you get to that assignment, you will have what you need to write a high quality, polished, APA formatted research paper that poses and supports an argument. If you have any questions, be sure to get in touch with your instructor.